Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you factory reset Samsung phone safely. So in order to factory reset your Samsung phone safely, you want to make sure to back up your data first of all, and only then you could begin with this procedure. So open up your settings on your device. So once you are logged into your settings, you want to locate general management. So over here you want to scroll down and look for general management, or you could also go to system. So this actually depends on the device. So once you go to general management section, you want to scroll down and click on the reset button, or you could see this reset option, right? So over here you could go ahead and click on factory data reset, and you could just need to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt to erase all data. You could also click on erase all data at the bottom and confirm it. So, and once you have actually done this procedure, then what you could do is log in, or open up your or restart the device and then log in and see whether the issue or that you've successfully factory reset your Samsung phone safely or not. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.